what's going on? And welcome back to another episode on Give It a Shot. How's everything going out there in YouTube? This is week number 3 of lockdown from where I'm from. Hopefully everyone out there is doing okay. But I really wanted to crack down and drill down onto a recipe that is a grilled cheese slash hot sandwich inspiration today. So hopefully everybody out there has bread in their house, and for the most part I would believe most families probably have some type of cheese. So it's going to be a challenge. It's going to be bacon grilled cheese, mushroom grilled cheese, pizza grilled cheese, and a peanut butter jelly grilled sandwich. So we're just trying to put a twist on the grilled cheese sandwich and see how these come out. Let's go check out the ingredients. Alright, so this is pretty simple. I got bacon, which I already made, pepperoni, mushrooms that I sauteed. We got our jelly, our peanut butter, our cheese, and our bread. And once again, you can just easily do bread and cheese. I'm using shredded cheese. You could just use regular slices of cheese. However you want to do it at home, that works for me. But for this episode, this is what we're going to be using as our ingredients. Alright, so I'm going to put the butter. And you're going to butter one side of each slice of bread. And the side that you butter is going to go on to the pan. So for one of these, I'm going to do the bacon. Just going to lay the strips in there. Nice and neat. Add some of the cheese. Another one will add the cheese. Add the cheese. And this one will get the pepperoni. You could actually add sauce to it too, to really make it more of a pizza, but I don't really want to do that one. And we'll add the cheese for this one, and we'll put the mushrooms. And then for this, for the last one, we'll do the peanut butter. And then we will add the jelly. We will butter the bread and add it to the top. So from this point, we got the bread all situated with all the ingredients inside of them. We're going to turn the burner on to a medium heat. I'm going to be doing number 7. We're going to let that cook for a little bit before we'll flip it. Okay, so you want to go like 4 to 5 minutes on each side and flip it, so should be doing pretty well there, see? And we'll let that side go for about another 4 minutes. Okay, so let's see how that looks. So that side looks great. I think this is done, and it's time to bring it to the table. So the grilled cheese sandwiches or hot sandwiches are all finished. So the challenge for this week is you have one sandwich that you can pick from each one of those choices. You have the pizza, you have the mushroom, you have the bacon, and you have the peanut butter jelly. You're only allowed one choice. Which one will be the chosen sandwich for lockdown? Let's see. So we have pizza, we have the mushroom, we have the bacon, and we have the grilled peanut butter jelly. I'm going to work my way this way, and we'll see how the twist of the grilled cheese will taste. I'm so excited! Alright, so pizza, you're up first. Okay? Mushroom, you're next. Okay. Bacon. All right. Grilled peanut butter jelly. Well, 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 well. Well, just to start this off, they all pass the test. They're all freaking great. But since I said it was going to be a challenge and we have to rate them, we'll start with fourth place. Fourth place will go to the mushroom. I enjoy mushrooms and it does taste great, but if I had to pick one of these as my last sandwich out of these choices, that would be number 4. Okay. Number 3. Once again, if I had to choose only one of these sandwiches, since we're on lockdown, number 3 would be bacon. Again, they all taste great, but out of these choices, bacon would be gone. So that leaves us with pizza and peanut butter jelly sandwich. So if I had to choose for one of these sandwiches to be my lockdown sandwich, I would have to go with peanut butter. You are the winner. I choose peanut butter over the pizza because the peanut butter is a filling sandwich, but at the same time, it kind of has that taste of a dessert. So you get best of both worlds with that choice. But just to reiterate from my beginning statement, all 4 of these pass the test. I would be okay eating any one of these. But for the example of you only have one sandwich in your lockdown, which one would it be? I would have to choose the peanut butter. So if I had to give this a rating, for all of these, I would have to give it a 10. It's simple to make, and the tastes of each one of these, even though they're different tastes, they're all great tastes. You can't really go wrong, in my book, with a grilled cheese, and putting that twist on it makes it even better. So, I'd like to thank you for tuning in on this week's episode. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Check out any of my other videos. Give me a thumbs up. And hopefully I'll see you next week on another episode of Give It a Shot.